Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to add your Apple Card to PayPal. If you're a fan of Apple's seamless ecosystem and PayPal's convenience for online shopping, this is a must-know trick. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Apple Card and PayPal accounts set up and ready to go. You'll need your Apple Card details handy, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Now, open the PayPal app on your iPhone or head to the PayPal website on your computer. If you're using the app, log in and tap on the Wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. That's where all your payment methods live. Next, look for the option to Add a Card or Link a New Card. Once you select that, you'll be prompted to enter your card information. Type in your Apple Card details carefully. Double-check for any typos to avoid issues. PayPal might ask for additional verification, like a code sent to your phone or email, so keep an eye out for that. After you've entered everything, hit Save or Add Card. PayPal will process the information, and voila, your Apple Card should now be linked. To test it out, try making a small payment or just check your wallet to see if it's listed. One quick tip. If you run into any errors, like card not accepted, ensure your Apple Card is activated and that you're using the most up-to-date versions of both apps. Apple and PayPal work well together, but sometimes updates are key. There you have it, folks. Adding your Apple Card to PayPal is quick, secure, and opens up a world of hassle-free transactions. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.